Hello and welcome to Edinburgh Watch Company. My name is Jonathan. On today's video I'm going to talk to you about a cracking unworn Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean that we've just taken into stock that's made out of titanium, so really special. If you'd like to find out more about this watch, then please just visit our website at edinburghwatchcompany.co.uk. There we've got some photographs, technical specification, and of course showing you the great saving on this watch too. However, if there's anything else you'd like to know about this watch, then please just give me a call directly. So let's get a closer look at this watch just now, and I'll run through some of the sort of technical specification with you. So first of all, the watch, as I mentioned earlier, is actually finished in titanium. Now this is what they call a sandblasted grade 5 titanium, so it's really quite special. The bezel is in titanium as well, and with a polished grey ceramic fill. It has an orange galvanized rubber 15-minute scale, and then a satin finished liquid metal diving scale markings with all the numbers on it, so quite special. The hour markers have a luminous dot at the starting point, so again very easy to read. The dial itself, as you can see here, in a beautiful matte grey titanium dial with the titanium engraved on the dial directly, and it has a dark and polished index hour with a luminous fill, so very easy to read at night time. The dark and polished faceted hands, again they've got the luminous fill, again with a blue coloured emission that comes when viewing it at night time, and that lovely orange tipped second hand. It's got a useful date window feature as well, and of course it has that traditional helium escape valve located at the 10 o'clock position. Now this is what they call the Omega Master Chronometer. So this has the latest caliber 8900 movement in it, which you can see through the glass back. That's beating at 25,200 beats per hour with 39 joules and a very useful 60-hour power reserve. This also has, as I say, by means of the master chronometer, it's under the name of Metas, and in fact this actually can withstand magnetic resistance to 15,000 Gauss, so quite clever, quite similar to what Rolex do with their mil-Gauss. It has a silicon balance spring as well, so that improves resistance to shock and magnetism, and therefore really making it a very strong and reliable watch. So I think overall a really fantastic piece of technology built into this watch. So let me now just take this watch out of its case and we get a slightly better look at it. And then you can see here, so it's a beautiful colour with the brushed titanium there. You've still also got the polished part of the case here on the top. You get the titanium look on the side there, and a reasonable amount of thickness on it there. This bezel here actually turns as well, so this turns unidirectionally, naturally for divers to mark the remaining air left in their tank. The crown here, this screws into the side of the case, and you have that Omega logo there on the side, and again you can see that brushed titanium look on the side there. Beautiful bracelet, very strong, again very light and easily adjustable via the various screws you have here on the side. As you can see here, still all covered in its protective seals there, and here you have the part of the deployment clasp. Now if you're looking to go diving with this watch, that's easily done, because all you have to do is pull the bracelet there, and that extends the bracelet there, so it'll fit over your dive suit, and when you're finished you can just clip it back in. Looking to the rear of the case there, I'm not sure how well the camera will pick that up, but you can see there you have that lovely glass display back there, so you can see this wonderful movement and action, and some lovely detail there that Omega introduced around the rear of the case there. So there we are, that's the Omega Titanium Planet Ocean. I love this watch, this is the first one we have. Now we've also got the 45.5mm chronograph in stainless steel as well, so if you fancy something a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier, then that's one to consider, but two fantastic Omegas with fantastic savings off new. So there we are, that brings us pretty well to the end of this video. If you're interested in seeing all our latest watches coming in, then why don't you just click there, and that will subscribe you to our YouTube channel, and everything will be there for you to see. Meantime, thank you so much for joining today, and please come back and see us soon. Bye bye.